Yo, what's up? It is Digital Harper back with another video, and in today's video, I will be showing you how you can make your own, yes you, your own gaming PC for under $150. Let's get it. So for under $150 is not a lot for a gaming computer, yes I know, but you can get some pretty respectable frame rates at some okay settings. So let's get into it. $150 is not a lot for a gaming computer, yeah I know, but with a few upgrades to this old Dell Optiplex 3010, whatever it's called, we can get you gaming at respectable frame rate, 60 FPS, you know, all with just a few upgrades right here. But to really call your computer a gaming PC, you really need a graphics card, or else your games won't run very well. So what I got is this MSI RX 460 2GB version, and it's a pretty good thing. You'll see in the benchmarks. I also got this ADATA 4GB DDR3 RAM, and I also got an SSD, which is in there. Yo, it is now later at night because I had to get all the games downloaded, so let's get it benchmarked. benchmarks of this amazing beast of a gaming PC, let's talk about the specs. Okay, so on this specs list, we started with a Dell Optiplex 3010 that had an i5 3470 in it with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 500 gigabyte hard drive. We later upgraded that hard drive with a 120 gig SSD, and we also added an RX 460 2 gigabyte version. Now all this in total cost $155. You could buy this on eBay, that's where I bought. There should be links in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. Feel free to buy them. Anything you do buy does help me out a little bit, so do that. Okay, so this video is over, so hope you liked it. Give a like, please. It took like a week to film, and I bought a gaming computer, and I also made my bed for this. Come on, man. You gotta like it for that. I made my bed.